channel. Let me just pick y'all up. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make banana bread. You can't really mess it up. If you do, I don't know what to tell you. The time has come for me to take my hair down. I had these braids in for about 2 weeks now. No, it has been way more than 2 weeks. Like a month and a half, because it's almost the end of August. But as you can see, the hair has grown out tremendously. It's time for them to go. And I have been getting a lot of comments, let me say that, a lot of comments on previous videos on how I take down my mini braids. These are technically mini braids, but they're not as like mini as I'm gonna call them micro braids, because they be really tiny. They're not as tiny as those, but I do the same process for taking down my hair. As you can see, my hair is really dry. We're gonna get it together. The only thing I really use to take down my hair is oil, and I use a mixture that I make. I'm kind of out of this, so I have to go put some more in there, but the base is mainly olive oil. I'm gonna take the sweatshirt off because you want to wear something you do not care about when you're taking your hair down, because oil can get anywhere. I'm gonna watch the new season of Emily in Paris. I'll just stop periodically and just let y'all see what I'm doing. I'm allergic to a lot of products that are in hair products, like the almond oils and the coconut oils. I can't use any of those, so that's why I tend to make like my own like rendition of their products. I'm just sitting here editing this, and I realized I did not say anything about taking my hair down anywhere in this out of all the clips I had. But basically what I do when I take my hair down is I just take a rat tail comb, anything with like a pointy tooth on the end, or any comb, and I just start at the bottom of my braid, and I just go in and just take it down like that. And after I finish taking it down, I just make sure I go back and comb it out and make sure I get all the shed hair out, so that when I get ready to wash my hair, it's not going to be so tangled up. Because I made the mistake multiple times by not detangling my hair before I washed it after taking braids out. And I was washing my hair for 2 hours detangling my hair for 2 hours because I was being lazy. But yeah, basically, that's all I did. And then
I take oil and just massage it on my scalp just to break up any like product that might be on my scalp that was underneath the braids, just to really make sure my scalp gets clean when I take my hair down. But that's all I had to say. Back to the video.
So I didn't come back to show y'all my hair after I took it out the braids, but this is what it looks like. Crazy. This is how much hair. Right now, I have to go to the beauty supply store because I have no deep conditioner. I need more shampoo. I need more styling products because I don't have any. I haven't been styling my hair. So this is how I style my hair to go to the stove. This is not gonna work. We need it bigger. So this is empty. And this is a great spray for your braids if you want to try. It's the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. And this is a type of spray nozzle, actual spray bottle I need. Really focus on the ends. We're just trying to get this in a more presentable bun. I just need something presentable to go to the stove. So, just gonna take it around, tuck it in. I think that's good enough. We're gonna brush some edges down to make it look a little bit more. I don't really be doing my baby hairs like that, so this is the most I'll do. Okay, so I'm back and I finished washing my hair. It's damp right now. The style I decided on is this. I don't know if I want to do flat twist going back or braids in the front and then twist in the back. But I think it's going to be the braids in front, twist in the back, because that's honestly the easiest style I can do right now because I have to be up at 6 in the morning. There's a gnat in here. I'm trying a new leave-in conditioner. It's the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian line Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Oil. Cuticle. Why do names be so long on this stuff? Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. But it doesn't have a hole to it, so I don't know how it's going to do with styling. But we can try. Yeah, I'm just going to get started twisting my hair. And y'all can just watch as I do it. It's nothing really to it. I'm just going to be braiding. I'll show y'all like how I braid the front down. If y'all want a detailed on how to braid, I can't help you here. The way I braid is, I realize it's very different from people sometimes. I may braid like a little underhanded. So, but yeah, y'all can go find another video on how to braid if you would like. But if you can watch my hands and learn that way, then cool. Good for you. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing my hair because I gotta be up and it's 10:06. Hopefully I can get done in, I'm gonna say an hour, 2 hours. It's pushing it, but we can try.